What is up, folks? Attican here, Ads. I'm a public intelligence analyst and interviewer, media producer from the Midwest, reporting for Ads Media and Neighborhood News. And I just want to show you this cool kind of architectural art here before I show you what building we are in front of. It's kind of doubles over there. Looks like maybe fractals of some sort. Geometry experts, correct me if I'm wrong, but this building is closed to the general public. Access granted only to enrolled students or authorized individuals, similar to Professor Kawaoka's his work building where his office is located, Veterinary Sciences, just about a 7-minute walk over yonder. And even if you are allowed, again, you have to show your Safer Badgers app to prove that you have been tested twice by spitting into a cup, which they do to all students here every single week. That is if you need to go to class in person. And again, we mentioned that these sorts of classes here, epidemiology, virology, biotech. We're at the Genetics and Biotechnology building, which is one of the newest buildings here on campus. Certainly one of the newest educational buildings. They just had a new surf or a recreational facility put in. I think that was just last year. And the reason, once more, that we wanted to cover this is we're again following up on Professor Kawaoka, our Japanese friend, who works here at my alma mater. And again, he worked with Fuchir out of Rotterdam. And in 2011, they revealed that they had separately modified the deadly avian H5N1 influenza virus to make it be able to be transferred and transmissible between ferrets. So these guys know what they're doing. They know how to make gain of function. And this particular man, Professor Kawaoka, and his company FluGen, which we covered just a couple days ago, again, located here in Madison's Research Park, was also licensed and funded by WARF, Wisconsin's Alumni Research Foundation. And there's also, I'll see if I can link it when I get some time later, but otherwise if you just type in Kawaoka and Fauci, you can find them pop up a plethora of times, including on mainstream outlets as well. There he is. There's our guy, Professor Kawaoka. Pretty handsome man, Yoshihiro. And he also has professorships at the University of Tokyo, as well as the Department of Pathobiological Sciences here at the School of Veterinary Medicine, as we mentioned. And this Harvard University epidemiologist, Mark Lipsitch, among others, have expressed their concerns for gain-of-function research and its ability to produce bioweapons. And again, this pandemic creates perfect cover for these guys, because perhaps in anticipation of getting visits from investigative journalists, public intelligence analysts, I can't enter the building. And even if I couldn't enter this one, I know I could have entered the veterinary science building before all this. And it's like that even if you go to University Health Services, the general student commons area as well, you have to prove you got tested twice to enter in any building. So just supporting live here, Genetics Biotechnology Center here at UW-Madison, one of the top 10 research universities in the world, and perhaps the top research university in the world for bioweapons. Still yet to be determined. Stay frosty, folks.